Tyreek Hill, a wide receiver for the Miami Dolphins, was detained by a police officer who was later placed on administrative duties while the Miami-Dade Police Department investigated his behavior. The officer's lawyers are now saying that this was premature and asking to have their client put back in his regular position. Attorneys Ignacio Alvarez and Israel Reyes released a statement on Tuesday saying, "We call for our client's immediate reinstatement, as Director Daniels has also advocated, and a complete, thorough, and objective investigation. Our client will not comment until this investigation is concluded and the facts are fully revealed." The investigating officer's name or other identifying information was not included in the press release, and an official from Algo, one of the legal companies defending him, refused to comment further or explain the officer's secrecy. Requests for information on the officer's reinstatement were not immediately answered by representatives of the Miami-Dade Police Department. Everything Dolphins. Up-to-date information on the Miami Dolphins' injuries, schedule, roster, statistics, and more. Stephanie Daniels, the head of the department, said in a statement on Sunday that the agency's Internal Affairs Division has opened an inquiry into the officer. She added she is committed to transparency and accountability to the community with any situation involving my officers. A startling scenario between Hill and the police occurred on Sunday just outside Hard Rock Stadium, just hours before Hill and the Dolphins' season-opening game against the Jacksonville Jaguars. Furthermore, there has been criticism of the officers' conduct, especially their use of force during what otherwise seemed to be a standard traffic check. More than an hour of body-worn camera video from the encounter was made public by Miami-Dade Police on Monday night. Tape shows cops yanking Hill from his McLaren after he rolled up his window during the exchange. After removing him from the vehicle, the cops placed him on the ground and handcuffed him for almost 15 minutes. Throughout the interaction, complained about knee discomfort a lot. Hill eventually admitted to speeding to the police, but he was upset with them for taking a harsher approach by removing him from his vehicle and handcuffing. After receiving citations for reckless driving and driving without a seatbelt, he was ultimately permitted to leave the scene. Hill said, "They said I was speeding, reckless driving, or whatever," at a press conference after his 130 receiving yards in Miami's victory against the Jacksonville Jaguars. "I wasn't brought up to mention names like that." Hill said, "If it is stated that I took action, please send me a ticket and take the necessary action. Don't be rude, however."